Hi, honey.
Yes.
Your food is ready. I made you roasted baked turkey and some onions and tomatoes. My husband is a lion. He likes to eat. So he likes
Are you whispering? Are you whispering? Or what are you saying about me? Oh,
he likes
I know
meat.
video right now.
He likes meat. If you see him, he's a big guy.
Are you selling me
So,
up?
honey, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, this is your dinner for tonight. Okay, this is what I made. Hope you all can see it right here.
Lord have mercy.
This is dinner. Are you ready, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm ready, honey.
All right.
We appreciate that.
Okay. You want them to see your face?
Just serve me dinner. All right.
Okay. Thanks for taking it.
You're welcome.
So anyway, guys, I have broccoli tonight. I need to make some broccoli for tomorrow's lunch because I'll be working tomorrow. So let me grab some. Is it hard?
No, good. All right.
I'm gonna add some oil. This is some onions and sweet pepper and some hot pepper. I have like 2 pieces of pepper in here. And this is hot pepper right here. I like it a little bit spicy. So you know there's a different way you can make broccoli. Sometimes the way you make it just ordinary water wouldn't really taste it won't bring out the taste out. So you add all this flavor to it and it will bring out the flavor. I already added some oil in here, some groundnut oil in here, and have a spoon.
What happened?
Well, I guess she was just hungry. You didn't show up yourself, so that's fine. Yeah. By the way, I'm surprised to see that you're back early. How did the meeting go?
Oh, yes, it finished quite early. Not so long after you left, actually.
Oh, okay.
Actually, one of the drivers was doing one of the front of the office.
So you're a class chief. You're khaki.
Oh, man.
Yes.
I think because he wanted to work.
And I have some Maggi cube right here. I have 2 balls of Maggi cubes that I'm gonna add to it. And I have some curry, some thyme, and some curry powder right here. So I'm adding the stuff right now. The sweet onions and the onions in here.
need to remember, like, it's very cool. Yeah. You know, you said pretty nice.
And I'm adding the hot pepper in here.
And I just want you to do anything, especially the father not there. And then your father contributed to the whole school.
And also the Maggi cube I added in
Oh,
here. The Maggi cube.
yeah, right. Although the reason why you decided to do your master's in Nigeria. What about your mom? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm really so sorry.
I'm adding the thyme to it.
You know my sister?
And I'm adding some curry powder in here.
That's it. Really? You do? You do like
I'm adding a little bit of Odor in here. I'm not gonna add no salt. Those are the only seasoning that I'm using because I don't like too many salt. Those are already salty. The 2 Maggi cube and the Odor seasoning. Those are the only three seasonings that I'm using. And I'm gonna add the broccoli now into the cup. And I'm not adding no water into it. No water into it. I'm gonna lower the flavor, the volume of the gas cooker because broccoli itself have water, so that will generate the water coming out. And I'm gonna stir it together. Tasty. I'm gonna cover it up and then let it steam. So while that is steaming, I'm gonna wash up the dishes that I use. Okay? I don't like to keep too many dirty stuff in the sink. So while I cook, I clean up. So this is it. This is how it looks. It's all done. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to check my next video I'll be doing this often and then show you what I do in the kitchen. This is Chastel and TV. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.